Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can put a black overlay in CapCut easily. So get your videos ready. I have this one which is going to be below the overlay, and I downloaded the overlay on TikTok. You can find it on many platforms. Just search up black overlay, and then after that I'm going to select overlay, add overlay, and add in that overlay like so. Press add and resize it. I'm gonna also align it like so. And let's just mute the volume. After that, go to splice and choose lighten or filter. I like filter the best. You can also move the overlay down here. For instance, you don't want it right on the face. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!